Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to create a questionnaire on Wix. So let's get started. So as you can see, I'm on the Wix homepage over here, and the top right side you'll see an option that says edit site. Click on it. Now on the top right you'll see a search icon. Click on it and search questionnaire. And now many options will appear. We'll just click on the third one which says quick polls. Now click on add again. Now we will just grant it permission and it will pop up right here. And now to change the color, font and options, click on the settings which pops up right above it. Now we can change the layout over here. For example, we can choose the emoji layout, and we can change the text below over at poll question heading, and we'll just ask a simple question like, are you enjoying your stay? Now over at settings you can change the poll position, whether it pops up on the right hand side or the left hand side. Now on the third option, design, you can change the font, color and etc. Now we can send email notifications about responses, so just type your email over here and you'll get a feedback whenever someone fills the questionnaire. And that is pretty much it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.